Yes, today we are going to discuss second model paper of part B. So this is the first question. If ABC are in AP, then B equal to. So this is in what? AP, arithmetic progression. So here we have to see ABC are in AP. So first of all we are going to write this as a series ABC, and next common difference D equal to A2 minus A1. So we know in AP A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. This is the property. So A2 minus A1, B minus A is equals to A3 minus A2, C minus B. This comes in LHS. Plus comes to minus, minus comes to plus. B plus B, simple, 2B, minus A minus C. Here minus will go to RHS. It will become plus, minus will become plus. 2B equal to A plus C. 2 is in multiplication, goes to divide. So B equals to A plus C by 2. So it's what? Option A. Yes, option A. Next, continue. Second question, if the number of subset of a given set is 32, then the number of element in the set will be. अगर सबसेट 32 बन रही तो सेट के अंदर कितने एलिमेंट्स है? We know what we know. This is a formula of subset 2 power n. Okay, so 2 power n was 32 number of subsets. So 32 कब बनेगा? 2 power 5 is what? 32. So for this 5 sets, n equal to 5. So there is 5 sets. So where is 5? Option C. Option C. Okay. Next, the distance of 3, 4 from origin is distance. We know that distance is what? 3, 4. And origin means 0, 0. x1, y1, x2, y2. This is the formula for distance. Okay, after substituting you will get the answer 25. 5 5 is 25. 5. Option C will be the answer. Option C will be the answer. So here is what? Option C again. Okay. Next, sum of the root of 6x square equal to 1 is. First we have to change this in quadratic form. Okay, we have to arrange in the quadratic form. Plus comes to minus 6x square minus 1. Now in this there is no x term, so we have to write 0x. Now it comes in quadratic form, ax square plus bx plus c. According to this, a what? 6, b is 0, c is minus 1. Okay, so sum of zeros, he said, sum of zeros is what? Formula alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. So b is what? 0, a is what? 6. 0 by 6 is nothing but 0. So it's what? Sum of 0, 0. Okay, so finally option A will be the final answer. In this, option A will be the final answer, 0. Is it clear? Continue with fifth one. Fifth one, if the polynomial p of x equal to x power 4 minus 2x cube plus x square minus 1 is divided by x plus 1, then the degree of quotient polynomial. Acha, we need to find the degree of quotient polynomial. We will write the equation in this dividend form, and this is what? X plus 1, because in question x plus 1 is divided by this equation, so we have to divide this. If I multiply x plus 1 with x cube into x, x power 4, x cube 1 za x cube. So we will get same x power 4 plus x cube. So we have multiplied with x cube because we need to bring the same x power 4 with the help of divisor. Okay, so here x plus 1 is multiplied with x cube into x, x power 4, x cube 1 za x cube. So here we got this x power 4 plus x cube. This will get cancelled. Minus 2 minus x cube will become minus 3x cube, and this is what, plus x square. Minus 1 will be the same. So this we have multiplied with x cube. This is the question part. Okay. Now for the remaining terms, again we'll multiply this divisor with remaining terms. So here we are multiplying x plus 1 with 3x square minus 3x square. Why minus 3x square? To becoming same term. Okay, same term. Minus 3x square into x minus 3x cube. Minus 3x square one the minus 3x square. First term should be same. For that's why we have to multiply with minus 3x square. So after multiplying, again this will get cancelled. Okay, again this will become minus 2x square. This will become minus 1. So in this he said, what is the degree of quotient? Here quotient, this is the part of quotient. So in this, degree means highest power. So 2 is not the highest, 3 is the highest. So 3 is the answer. That is what option B. Option B. Okay. The sum of a number and reciprocal is 17 by 4 and the number is. Sum of a number we don't know, reciprocal we don't know. But here is saying sum of a number is what, 17 by 4. So here we have to take first number as x. Okay, and second number as 1 by x. So sum of numbers x plus 1 by x given equal to 17 by 4. This is x, this is a reciprocal of x, 1 by x. So now cross multiply, x into x square, 1 ones are 1. Okay, and x ones are x equals to 17 by 4. Again we have multiplied by cross multiply. After cross multiplying, what you will get, 4 into x square plus 1, x into 17, 17x. 4 into x square, 4x square, 4 ones are 4. Okay, plus comes to minus. Now cross multiply, factorization, same process. After doing factorization, if you solve this, you will get answer what, 4. This is an option B. So already you know how to find the zeros. Just you have to do the complete this factorization to find the zeros. So x equals to 4. X equals to 4. Now in option you have to search. This is what, option B. So here you have to write option B. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. 7th one, if log base 10 to is equals to 0.3010, then log base 10 32 is what? We need to find this. It's very simple. See here, given log base 10 to is what, 0.3010. Okay, so we have to find the value of log base 10 32. 32 we can write as 2 power 5. Okay, so this is what, in the form of log base x a to the power of m. Okay, now you have to substitute in the formula m log xa. M log xa. After substituting in the formula, you will get this 5 log base 10 2. Already in question we have the value of log base 10 2 is what, 0.3010. So here on the place of this, in the place of this, we will write the value 0.3010. If you multiply this, you will get 1.5050. That's option C. So option C is the correct answer. So the answer is what? Option C, 1.5050. Next, 8th one, minus 2 comma minus 2. See here, it's very simple. Already you have this discussed in detail in 9th class. Okay, so here is saying minus 2 comma minus 2. We have to say that this lies in which coordinate, which quadrant. So you have to draw small Cartesian plane like this. We know that this is q1, this is q2, this is q3, and this is q4. So minus 2 comma minus 2 lies in q3. So is what, third quadrant. So the answer is what? Option C, q3. 8th one, option C, q3 will be the correct answer. Next, the sum of the first 20 even natural number. So here 20 natural number, 20 even natural number. We know that 20 even natural number are what? This is what 2, 4, 6, so on 40. So in this, what is first term? A is what 2, and what is last term is what 40. You can take the simple formula sum of n term Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. N is what? 20 terms. Okay, A is what? 2. L means last term 40. 20 by 2 is what? 10. 2 plus 40, 42. If you multiply with this 10, 20 by 2 is what? 10. 2 ones are, 2 tens are. 42 into 10, 420. So 420 is the right answer. So in this you have to check in options. Option D is the 420. This is the correct answer. 10th one. The roots of the quadratic equation. It's very simple. If here it's minus, then it will be simple minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. Basically we know this formula. But here if this is minus, then here should be plus. Actually quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so for this actual roots are this, but here if it's minus, so minus plus. Okay, here minus now, minus b plus or minus, so minus plus. So if here it's minus, then the roots are plus b. Okay, plus b, no minus on b. So this is the actual answer. That's what option C. The probability of sure event, everyone knows, is what? Secant theta. What we can write secant theta? Simple, we can write secant theta as 1 by under root sine square theta. How we can write? See here, 1 by under root 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta we can easily write cos square theta. Square root will get cancelled. 1 by cos we can write sec theta, and finally is the answer. Okay. 1 minus sin square theta, trigonometry, identity. It's what? Cos square theta. 1 by cos secant. Square root get cancelled. So this option we can change into secant theta. So here is what? Option D. Option D. So 13th one, side of a cube and diameter of a sphere are equal, then the ratio of their volume will be. So in this we have to take one cube and a sphere. So in this he is saying side of a cube is equal to diameter of the sphere. These both are equal. So we have to say the ratio of their volume. So here volume of a cube is what? We know a cube, but for this here he said side of a cube and diameter of sphere are equal. So here we are taking this as d only. Okay, so it's what? D cube, and volume of sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. R we can write as d by 2. So this is what? 4 by 3 pi d by 2 cube. Now 4 by 3 pi d into cube, d cube. 2 cube is what? 2 cube is nothing but 8. So here 4 ones are, 4 twos are, will get cancelled. Pi by 3, d cube by 2 will left. It means that pi into d, pi d cube, 3 twos are 6. Now for ratio we have to divide both volume. Volume of cube by volume of sphere. Volume of cube is nothing but d cube, already mentioned we have in previous page, and volume of sphere is what? Pi d cube by 6. Okay, this will be reciprocal and it will become 6 by pi d cube. D cube will get cancelled. 6 by pi, it means that 6 is to pi, 6 ratio pi. So here is the option B. We have to check the option B. 6 is to pi, that is what? B1. Clear? Next, 14th one. Simple, a dice is thrown, the probability of getting a prime number is simple. We know in a die there are 6 outcomes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it's prime number. Probability of getting a prime number. Prime number means 2, 3, 5. Okay, so this is what 3. Their total is what 6. 3 by 6. Number of favorable outcome by total number of outcome. So what 3 ones are 3 twos are. That is what 1 by 2. So option B is correct. Next, volume of two spheres are in the ratio of 8:27. The ratio of their surface area is dash. वॉल्यूम ऑफ टू स्फीयर, दो स्फीयर है, उसका वॉल्यूम है क्या बोल रहा, उसका रेशियो 8:27 है. द रेशियो ऑफ द सरफेस एरिया, हमको सरफेस एरिया का रेशियो बोलना है. ओके, वो क्या होगा. सी वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर फॉर्मूला है 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. सो यहाँ पे दो स्फीयर्स की बात हुई थी. सो 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब बाई 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. कैपिटल आर स्मॉल आर हम मेंशन कर लेंगे, दो स्फीयर्स है बोल के. सो इसका 4/3 पाई गेट कैंसिल. यहाँ पे आपको ऑलरेडी रेशियो दे दिया इसका 8/27. 8/27 को मैं लिख सकता हूँ 2/3 क्यूब, बिकॉज ऑफ 2 क्यूब इज नथिंग बट 8, 3 क्यूब इज नथिंग बट 27. नाउ आर इज वॉट 2:3. 2:3. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया. सरफेस एरिया का फॉर्मूला है स्फीयर का 4πr² बाई 4πr². ठीक है, 4π गेट कैंसिल. ऑलरेडी वी गॉट आर, दैट इज वॉट 2:3. यहाँ पे स्क्वायर है सरफेस एरिया में, तो 2 2 4, 3 3 9. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो हियर इज वॉट ऑप्शन डी 4:9 इज द राइट आंसर. क्लियर. मीन ऑफ सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन इज x bar. If each observation is divided by m, then increase by n, the mean of new observation. सिंपल है. इसका ऑप्शन होगा डी वाला, क्योंकि मीन ऑब्जर्वेशन m को डिवाइड कर रहा और n से इंक्रीज हो रहा. सो x by m plus n. ऑप्शन डी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट 17th one. Here is a figure. PB parallel to CF, DP parallel to EF, then AD by DE. Okay, we have to say the value of AD by DE. See here in this this is from similar triangles. It's very simple, just we need to check the sides. So we have to check the two sides, that is what AD by DE. Okay, and this what AB by BC. So already AD by DE we need to find this value, but AB by BC we have these values. Actually AC is total 8. Okay, in that AB is 2, so BC will be 6. BC will be 6. So here you have to 6. 2 plus 6 is what 8. So BC will be 6. Now according to similar property, simple AD by DE equal to AB by BC. AD by DE equal to AB by BC. AB is what 2, BC is what 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So it's what option A. Option A. 7. So in this 17th one, option A 1/3 will be the correct answer. Next 18th one. A ladder 15 meter long reaches the top of vertical wall. If the ladder makes an angle of 60 degree with the wall, then the height of the wall. Okay, एक ladder है, एक सीढ़ी है जो 15 मीटर वॉल का उसका हाइट है, और एक वॉल है, वॉल की हाइट हमें नहीं मालूम. अब ये सीढ़ी का जो एंगल है ये बनेगा 60 डिग्री से. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे आप क्या करेंगे, लेंथ ऑफ लैडर 15 मीटर, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 60 डिग्री, हाइट ऑफ द वॉल h मीटर, कॉस 60. ठीक है, हम यहाँ पे एंगल यहाँ पे बनेंगे क्योंकि लैडर से एंगल बन रहा बोला ना. सो वॉल और लैडर को एंगल बन रहा, तो यहाँ पे हम एंगल फिट करेंगे. सो अगर मैं कॉस लूँगा तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे कॉस थीटा. सिंपल है, कॉस थीटा इक्वल टू व्हाट, बेसिकली कॉस थीटा क्या होता, एडजेसेंट बाई हाइपोटेनस. एडजेसेंट बाई हाइपोटेनस. लेकिन यहाँ पे एंगल यहाँ नहीं है. ठीक है, एंगल यहाँ पे, तो साइड चेंज हो जाएगा. अपोजिट क्या है, BC है, लेकिन अभी अपोजिट क्या हो जाएगा, AB हो जाएगा. और एडजेसेंट AB है, और अभी एडजेसेंट क्या हो जाएगा, BC हो जाएगा, क्योंकि हमारा एंगल चेंज है. तो cos 60 इक्वल्स टू एडजेसेंट बाई हाइपोटेनस. एडजेसेंट एक्चुअली AB है, लेकिन हम एडजेसेंट इसको बोलेंगे BC, क्योंकि हमारा एंगल चेंज है. सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, BC बाई हाइपोटेनस सेम रहेगा AC. cos 60 is nothing but 1/2 x by 15. Now 1/15 था 15, 2 into x 2x. 2 is in multiplication, goes to divide. 7.5 will be the answer. So it's what option C. Option C is the correct answer. Next sec theta plus tan theta equal to x, then sec theta equals to what? See here, sec theta plus tan theta equal to x, we know sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by x, reciprocal. Okay, now if you add this sec plus sec, 2 sec theta, tan get cancel, x plus 1 by x, x into x, x square, 1 ones are 1, and 1 into x, 1x. This is what? 2 is the multiplication, goes to divide. So it's what? X square plus 1 by 2x is the answer. Option B. Option B will be the correct answer. A point P on a circle, PQ is a tangent, O is the center of the circle. If triangle OPQ is an isosceles triangle, then angle OQP is equal to. Okay, एक पॉइंट है सर्कल पे, PQ एक tangent है, O सेंटर का सर्कल है, सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल, सर्कल का सेंटर क्या है? O है. इफ ट्राइंगल OPQ इज एन आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल, और जो ट्राइंगल है वो क्या है? आइसोसेलेस है. देन एंगल OQP की वैल्यू क्या है? OQP इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? सी हियर, इन ट्राइंगल OPQ, ओके, एंगल OPQ, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ वन ट्राइंगल. जो क्वेश्चन के मुताबिक बोला, OP and OQ, these two sides are equal due to isosceles triangle, and also OP and angle Q is also equal. Okay, we know the sum of triangle, angle O plus angle P plus angle Q equal to what? 180 degree. Okay, so here we can write P equal to Q. तो हम यहाँ पे P की जगह पे Q लिखेंगे. Q plus Q, 2Q, 90. Angle O is what? 90 degree, right angle triangle ना. So here is what? 90. 90 goes to minus, 180 minus 90 is what? 90. 2 is in multiplication, goes to divide. 90 by 2, 45. So therefore angle OQP is what? 45 degree. That is what? Option C. That is what? Option C. This is the correct answer. Thank you for watching our video. In next video we'll go for model paper 3.